What's up guys, another day, another pens. If you appreciate fine writing instruments, you need to see this. This is the Cross Classic Century Rollerball in a stunning matte blue. What makes it special isn't just the sleek modern silhouette. Look closer at the appointments. The iconic pocket clip, center band, and conical top are all plated in rich 23 karat gold. That means you get a deep, luxurious luster paired perfectly with a durable, tactile matte lacquer finish that feels incredible in the hand. Unscrew it and you'll find a precision molded resin front section designed for a perfectly balanced grip and a flawless writing experience. Classic American design meets modern sophistication. Is this your next everyday carry? Let me know in the comments.